Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable color inversion on your Android or Samsung phone. Click on settings guys, and you want to go down to accessibility, then select vision enhancement. If you scroll down you will find the color inversion, and as you can see here my phone is currently in the high contrast mode, right? So if I scroll down you'll find the color inversion. If I toggle on that you realize that my phone goes into different inversion colors. So as you can see I have blue buttons, and now my phone is also showing in white. So that's how you can easily go ahead and find the color inversion. You can toggle it on or off. You can also tap on it, and you also have the color inversion shortcut. So if you toggle it on, you want to go ahead and tap on accessibility mode and click OK, and you can see that you can easily enable color inversion at the bottom there once you're ready. So that's how you can easily go ahead and enable or disable the color inversion on your phone, and also add the shortcut there if you so desire. Very easy and very simple guys.